Have you ever wondered how many companies use Quickbase? If you're like me, you've probably seen Quickbase mentioned in online forums and articles, but you've never really known how popular it is. Quickbase is a low-code application development platform that allows users to create custom business applications without writing any code. It's a powerful tool that can be used to automate a variety of tasks, from tracking customer data to managing inventory. Section 1. What is Quickbase? In this section, you should provide a brief overview of Quickbase and its features. You can also discuss the different types of applications that can be built with Quickbase. Section 2. How many companies use Quickbase? Unfortunately, there is no definitive answer to this question. Quickbase does not publicly disclose its customer base. However, there are a few ways to estimate the number of companies that use Quickbase. Quickbase website. The Quickbase website lists a number of customer success stories. You can use this information to get an idea of the types of companies that use Quickbase. Gartner Magic Quadrant. Quickbase has been recognized as a leader in the low-code application development platform market by Gartner. Gartner's Magic Quadrant includes a list of vendors that are considered to be leaders in the market. Social media. You can search for Quickbase on social media to see how many companies are using it. Section 3. Why do companies use Quickbase? There are a number of reasons why companies choose to use Quickbase. Some of the most common reasons include ease of use. Quickbase is easy to use, even for people with no technical experience. Flexibility. Quickbase is a highly flexible platform that can be customized to meet the needs of any business. Scalability. Quickbase can scale to support the needs of businesses of all sizes. Cost-effectiveness. Quickbase is a cost-effective solution compared to traditional software development. Section 4. Who should use Quickbase? Quickbase is a good choice for any company that needs to create a custom business application. It is particularly well-suited for companies that have limited IT resources or that want to get a new application up and running quickly. Section 5. Conclusion. In conclusion, it is difficult to say exactly how many companies use Quickbase. However, it is clear that Quickbase is a popular and powerful platform that is used by a wide variety of businesses. If you are looking for a low-code application development platform, Quickbase is a great option to consider. If you are interested in learning more about Quickbase, I encourage you to visit the Quickbase website or watch some of the many Quickbase tutorial videos that are available online. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on business technology. I hope this script is helpful.